Hi, I'm Eric with Simply Elegant Home Cooking, and today I'm going to show you one of my favorite recipes, but it's also one of my favorite techniques. You can take this recipe and customize it. We're going to be doing a lemon aioli. This is a dipping sauce that I like to pair with seafood, but it could really pair with a lot of different things. It's super easy. You can put it together yourself in just a few minutes, and it's going to blow away anything you can buy at the store, so stick around. You don't want to miss this. So here's everything we're going to need for our lemon aioli. This is a very easy recipe. I have regular vegetable oil and extra virgin olive oil. We're going to be using a 50-50 blend. Salt and pepper. We're going to take the juice of 1 lemon. I have just the yolk of 1 organic free-range egg, and I have 2 medium cloves of garlic that I've given a rough chop. And you won't believe how easily this sauce comes together. All we want to do is start by adding all of the ingredients except the oil into a food processor. And with the salt and pepper, you can use however much you like. And now that that's added, we want to just blitz this a few times or until we've broken down the garlic into some smaller pieces. And that should be plenty. Now we're ready to add the oil. So now we can add the oil. I've put the vegetable oil and olive oil together into a Pyrex cup. And what we want to do is we want to slowly add this in a constant stream as the blade goes on the food processor. And here's how it looks after I've slowly added the oil. Now what I like to do at this point is I like to judge the consistency. This is just a little thinner than I like, so I'm going to add just a small amount more oil, but this is really close. Just make sure you test it and get the consistency however you like. And just so you can see the consistency, when you shake this up, you can see it's nice and light and airy. This process is called making an emulsion, and you can customize the ingredients in this sauce. You can take this in a whole lot of different directions. So I wanted to highlight the lemon today because I'm going to be using this with the seafood dish, but you can certainly use different spices and many different ingredients. So here is the finished sauce. Let me just give it a taste test. So what really stands out is the lemon flavor. This is going to pair brilliantly well with seafood. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. The next video you don't want to miss. We're going to be pairing this delicious sauce with one of my favorite seafood dishes. I'm Eric with Simply Elegant Home Cooking. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.